Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage your Google Chrome extensions. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a side menu will expand, showing you additional extension-related options. This is where Chrome gives you quick access to all your extension management features. From the side menu that just appeared, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to a dedicated page where you have full control over all the extensions currently installed in your browser. This page serves as your central hub for viewing, organizing, and controlling every extension you've added to Chrome. Once you're on the extensions management page, you'll see a list of all your installed extensions displayed clearly. Each extension is shown with its icon, name, and a brief description, making it easy to identify what each one does. This overview gives you a quick snapshot of everything currently running or installed in your browser. For each extension listed, you'll notice a Details button. Click on this button if you want to view more in-depth information about that specific extension. The Details page shows you things like permissions the extension has access to, its version number, and other technical information that can be helpful for troubleshooting or understanding what the extension can do. After reviewing the details, go back to the main extensions page. Now you'll see a Remove button next to each extension. If you want to uninstall an extension completely, click the Remove button. A confirmation message will pop up asking you to confirm your decision. Simply click Remove again to confirm, and the extension will be permanently deleted from your browser. Next, take a look at each extension again. You'll notice a toggle button next to every extension. This toggle is incredibly useful because it allows you to disable or pause an extension without completely removing it. Click the toggle to turn off the extension, and it will stop running in your browser. You can click the toggle again anytime to re-enable the extension whenever you need it. This is perfect for managing extensions you only need occasionally. Now, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the extensions page. You'll see an option called Developer Mode with its own toggle button. Click this toggle to turn on Developer Mode. This mode unlocks advanced features that are typically used by people who create or test extensions, but it can be useful for anyone who wants more control. Once Developer Mode is enabled, you'll see three new buttons appear at the top of the page. The first button is Load Unpacked, which allows you to import extensions that aren't available in the Chrome Web Store. The second button is Pack Extension, which is used for exporting extensions into a format that can be shared or distributed. The third button is Update, which manually checks for and installs updates for your extensions, ensuring you always have the latest versions running. And that's it, you now know how to fully manage your Google Chrome extensions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.